The essential role of folic acid. This small yet mighty vitamin plays a critical role in our body's overall function and well-being. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is essential not just for pregnant women but for everyone, contributing to everything from DNA synthesis to red blood cell formation. Understanding the role of folic acid can help you make more informed choices about your diet and supplementation. Folic acid is crucial for the body's ability to produce and repair DNA, the genetic material in our cells. This makes it especially important for rapid cell division and growth, processes that occur during pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. Without adequate folic acid, our cells cannot function properly, which can lead to various health issues, including birth defects and impaired cell repair mechanisms. Beyond supporting cellular health, folic acid is also a key player in maintaining cardiovascular health. It helps regulate homocysteine levels, an amino acid that, when elevated, can increase the risk of heart disease. By converting homocysteine into methionine, a harmless amino acid, folic acid helps protect the cardiovascular system and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. A deficiency in folic acid can lead to megaloblastic anemia, a condition characterized by the production of abnormally large and immature red blood cells that cannot carry oxygen efficiently. This can result in symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. Ensuring adequate intake of folic acid helps maintain healthy red blood cell levels, supporting overall energy and vitality. For those concerned with brain health, folic acid also plays a role in cognitive function. Studies have shown that adequate levels of folic acid may help prevent cognitive decline and reduce the risk of conditions such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. This makes folic acid an important nutrient for maintaining mental sharpness as we age. To reap the benefits of folic acid, consider including folic acid-rich foods in your diet, such as leafy greens, citrus fruits, beans, and fortified cereals. If your diet may not provide sufficient folic acid, a supplement can help ensure you meet your daily requirements. Consulting a healthcare provider can help determine the best approach for your specific health needs. Are you getting enough folic acid to support your health? How might you incorporate more of this vital nutrient into your daily routine? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below.